I'm gonna show you how to change a fuser unit from MPC4502. So this is the machine. So yeah, so you can press here, then open here, you click off. Okay, once you tick this off, then you pull this one out like this. So if you have another one, you're gonna do the same thing. Now the reason why we're changing this fuser, we find that you see, you have to look at the sleeve. Sometimes when the printer has bad copies, you can see the sleeve, it has a crack on this. So that crack, it comes on this paper. This paper, you can see, comes on this paper. So you can see how it is. So this is the stress. That's why the fuser is like this. So put it back. If you have a new one, sometimes you have to just change the sleeve, not the entire fuser. Okay, put it in. Using one hand, that's why. Put it in, then you push it in. You want to use 2 hands. Yes, this goes here, and this goes here also. Okay. Press it like that. That's gonna be in. Then click this on. Then you close. Once you close, everything is fine. Yeah. Well, that's it. Yeah.